What can I do now with PowerPoint? PowerPoint, now free and on any device. It used to be that one of the disadvantages of using PowerPoint was that it wasn't cloud-based and it wasn't free. This made Google Docs more attractive and universal for collaboration. That's now changed, and you can use PowerPoint in both desktop and mobile. You can tie it to a free account as well as across all of your devices. If you have a subscription, you can obviously do more. But collaboration is now much easier using this classic application. Multimedia tools. Naturally, there's a benefit to using tools dedicated to creating, recording, and editing videos. But in some cases, if you're going to record a simple video presentation using PowerPoint, that can be overkill. As of right now, you can handle that entire process in PowerPoint. You can design your presentation, you can record your presentation, you can render your presentation. So in some cases, you can eliminate the need for switching between 3 applications in this one process. It can now all be done in PowerPoint. A technical masterclass? Walking through the necessary technical processes can help you get the most of PowerPoint. Once you understand them, you can spend more time on your ideas and less time on the technology. Now, in most cases, you'll only need to do the setup process once before you know it well enough to use it and teach it to someone else. Now, there is a step-by-step video course that will walk you through the lesser-known and used processes to make them doable. They can be broken down into 20 short steps that you will be able to understand and explain to others or implement yourself. If you'd like to find out more about that course, check out the link you see on your screen.